Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't yet, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join the community. I upload twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12 noon. I do cleaning videos, cook with me, all videos, hair tutorials, and all things motherhood. In today's video, I'll be doing a quick spaghetti recipe and a quick tidy up. So if you guys want to see that, please stick around. Okay guys, right now I'm just going to gather the recipes that I'll be using in today's dish. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'll be using in today's dish. I'll be using this ground turkey, spaghetti sauce. I have 2 packs here. One is half, and then the other, I'm going to use a little bit out of the other one. So that's why I have 2 packs right there. Some burrata sauce. I ran out of ketchup, so that's why I have the barbecue sauce right here. But it's my first time using barbecue sauce in my spaghetti, but honestly guys, it turned out amazing. It tastes just as great, so I do not regret using it. And if you guys ever run out of ketchup, just try it. Or if not, and you want to try something new, definitely try using the barbecue sauce and let me know how you like it. Or if you ever use barbecue sauce in your spaghetti before, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know. I'll be using some oil. The vinegar is to wash the meat because I always clean my meat with vinegar. Some seasoned salt, some basil seasoning, garlic and herbs, some dash, some more garlic powder, of course accent, and some more garlic and onion powder. Clearly I'm obsessed, and some black pepper of course. So guys, that's everything that I'll be using in today's for today's spaghetti. So if you enjoy the recipe and you want to try it out, please do and let me know how you like it. So guys, these are some dishes that I had the night before. I'm just going to put them away. I have some dishes in the sink that I also need to get done. So I'm just going to be washing those in today's video. So guys, I'm just cleaning the meat with some vinegar, and I know this is the container that the meat came in, but I was just really honestly trying to not to dirty up anything else. So that's why I found it easier to just season it and wash it in that container. However, I did take out the little padding that came in it at the bottom, and I rinsed out the container before I put the meat back in and season it. So just in case you guys were wondering why I'm seasoning the meat or washing it in the container that it came in, it's clean, and it was just a quick way to do it instead of dirtying up something different, for me at least. Okay guys, I think I used way too much spaghetti here. I misjudged it because I wasn't really paying attention, or maybe it's because I know my husband really loves spaghetti and Tiana also enjoys it. and I was trying to avoid cooking the following day, so that's why I cooked that much. But let's see how long it lasts. Guys, in the next clip you're going to see me getting some food. This is what I prepared the day before. It's just some brown stew chicken and caramel dumpling. If you're Caribbean, then you know what dumpling is. I haven't had dumpling in a few months, and it's been one of my favorite foods since I was a kid. I love dumpling. I can't get enough of it, so that's what I was eating right there. And I'm just doing a quick wash up of the dishes that was in the sink, and that's it. And guys, my next video will either be a nail tutorial. I show you guys how to do an acrylic nail, or a hair tutorial. Not sure which one, but I might drop both of them the same week, so stick around for that. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload first, but that's what the next video will be. So guys, I ended up using my pre-mixed barbecue sauce that I had in the fridge left over instead of the one that I showed you in the beginning of the clip. And if you watch my baked chicken video, then that's the sauce that I used on the baked chicken with my pineapple, etc., that I made myself. So that's what I used in this recipe instead of the other one that I got from the store. I'm just taking a little bit of sugar, and I think it's a tablespoon. So guys, as we're about to come to an end, I thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and hit that like button. Also, let me know what type of videos or contents you would want to see on this channel. Thank you.